Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up delicious meals. In fact, the right meal choices can help you keep your blood sugar stable, boost your energy, and support your overall health. This guide will walk you through 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas that are not only nutritious, but also enjoyable and easy to prepare. Oatmeal made from steel-cut or rolled oats is a powerhouse of soluble fiber. It slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes. Adding healthy fats like nuts and the antioxidants in berries make this a well-rounded blood sugar-friendly meal. Ingredients include 1 2-cup steel-cut oats, 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk, 1 TBSP chopped almonds or walnuts, 1 4-cup fresh or frozen blueberries, and a dash of cinnamon. Cook oats in water or almond milk until tender, top with nuts, berries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and avoid adding sugar or honey. This meal is high in fiber, contains healthy fats, has a low glycemic index, and helps with satiety and weight control. Lean protein like chicken helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you full. Pairing it with colorful vegetables adds fiber, vitamins, and minerals without raising glucose levels. Ingredients include 1 cup chopped chicken breast, 1 2-cup broccoli, florets, 1 2-cup bell peppers, 1 4-cup carrots, 1 TBSP olive oil, garlic, ginger, and low-sodium soy sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan, add garlic and ginger, stir-fry chicken until fully cooked, add vegetables and soy sauce, cook until tender crisp, and serve as is or over cauliflower rice. This dish is low in carbs, rich in lean protein, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and antioxidant-rich. Lentils are a fiber-rich legume with a low glycemic index. They release sugar slowly and are an excellent plant-based protein source. Ingredients include 1 cup red or green lentils, 4 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 cup chopped spinach, 1 2-cup diced tomatoes, 1 4-cup chopped onion, and spices like turmeric, cumin, and black pepper. Sauté onion in a little olive oil, add spices, then add lentils, broth, and tomatoes. Simmer until lentils soften, stir in spinach, and cook for 5 minutes. This meal is high in fiber, heart-healthy, provides plant-based protein, and supports gut health. Quinoa is a whole grain high in protein and fiber. Chickpeas stabilize blood sugar and keep you satisfied longer. Ingredients include 1 2-cup cooked quinoa, 1 2-cup boiled chickpeas, 1 4-cup chopped cucumber, 1 4-cup diced tomatoes, 1 TBSP olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Combine all vegetables, quinoa, and chickpeas, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, and seasonings, toss salad with dressing, and chill before serving. It provides complete protein from quinoa, has low glycemic impact, contains healthy fats that support heart and brain health, and is great for lunch or dinner. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Asparagus and brown rice offer fiber and complex carbohydrates. Ingredients include 1 salmon fillet, 1 2-cup cooked brown rice, 1 2-cup steamed asparagus, lemon, garlic, and black pepper. Season salmon with lemon juice, garlic, and pepper. Bake at 375 degrees Celsius for 15-20 minutes, steam asparagus, and serve with brown rice. This meal offers omega-3s for heart health, balanced macros including protein, fiber, and healthy fats, helps reduce insulin resistance, and is satisfying and easy to prepare. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics. Flax seeds add omega-3s and fiber, while apples provide natural sweetness and crunch. Ingredients include 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 TBSP ground flax seeds, 1 2 sliced apple with skin, and a dash of cinnamon. Mix yogurt with flax seeds, top with sliced apple and cinnamon, and serve chilled. It is probiotic-rich for gut health, supports satiety, cinnamon may help lower blood sugar, and it works great as a snack or light breakfast. Eggs are a complete protein source. Avocados offer healthy fats that reduce sugar spikes. Whole grain toast provides sustained energy. Ingredients include 1 whole grain bread slice, 1 boiled or poached egg, 1 2 avocado mashed, lemon juice, salt, and chili flakes. Toast the bread, spread mashed avocado, top with egg, add lemon juice and seasoning. This option provides a protein and healthy fat combo, keeps blood sugar stable, supports weight management, and is quick and nutritious. Overeating even healthy. Food can raise blood sugar, so watch portion sizes by using small plates and avoiding second helpings. Skipping meals can cause blood sugar to drop and then spike later, so eat at regular intervals to maintain balance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day because dehydration can affect blood sugar levels. Limit packaged foods, sugary snacks, white bread, and soft drinks. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, beans, and vegetables instead of refined carbs. Living with diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. With these meal ideas, you can enjoy balanced, satisfying meals that help maintain stable blood sugar levels. The key lies in choosing whole foods, emphasizing fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats, and avoiding refined sugars and processed carbs. By planning your meals mindfully and eating with purpose, you can not only manage diabetes more effectively, but also boost your energy, mood, and long-term health.